my beautiful friends. How are you guys doing today? I have something super exciting to share with you. This is the Light and Easy A5 robot vacuum, trying to make my life a little easier so I can enjoy doing other stuff a little bit more. Cut back on the cleaning time, have this little guy help me out and get stuff done around the house. But I wanted to do an unboxing for you. We're gonna do a review. We're gonna do all things today in this video, so I hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and come say hi in the comments. So, we are going to be doing the Light and Easy robot vacuum. It's the A5 model. I'm going to show you what you get in this here box. I am so excited about this because it has its own dust collecting bin. It's self-emptying, so that is super wonderful. I've had a robot vacuum in the past that did something very similar, but you know, she had to go because she ran over some dog food. So we got a new one. We're excited about it. We're gonna dig into this, so let's go. So one thing that I do love about this and why I chose this one is because it is remote controlled. You don't have to have your phone to do it. There are a lot of other vacuums where it is done strictly on your phone, but this one has a nice remote control, so I can put it somewhere in the kitchen and other people can operate it too, like my husband. But look at this. Oh, beautiful, lightweight, compact. I'm excited about it. Look at that sleek, beautiful gray color, and I'm actually really loving this. This is like a rose gold. This is actually really pretty. I am excited about this. Okay, let's get to it. You're like, come on, show us, stop talking. Comes with some batteries for your remote, little filter, your spin brushes, and your dust collector so that you don't have to empty it every time that it rolls through your house. This will charge it and empty it at the same time. This will go perfect with my neutral house. This will be a very good addition. It's not too gaudy and out there with the colors. We love it. We are loving the colors. Okay, so here is your dust collector and your charger, your docking station. It will dock on here, charge, empty into the canister, and you just empty the canister rather than having to, you know, some of them, you gotta take it off, you gotta empty it out in the trash can. No, this baby is gonna pull up and it's gonna empty itself. So let's get to work. Let's put this together and let's get it to work. Let's put this beautiful baby to the test. Setup is also super simple. You put the cleaning brushes on there. The manual is super easy to follow, which is key in my book because sometimes I have a hard time understanding instructions. But these are really easy to follow. Setup is super easy. It's so simple and so user-friendly, which I am all about because who wants to struggle when they're trying to get something all situated that is supposed to make their life easier. It comes with your remote, it comes with batteries for your remote, as I already covered, and like I said, this manual is very easy to understand. Now that this little cutie is all set up, we are gonna find a space for it. We're gonna plug it in and we're gonna let it charge because it needs to charge 3 to 4 hours before running for the first time. So let's get to it. Where should we put it? I am thinking by the front door because people come in and out of there a lot. High traffic area. I think it will get some really good use over there where it's going to be collecting a ton of dirt and dust. After you've set it up, you got your batteries and your remote and all of that good stuff, it is so easy. You just plug it in. You put the actual vacuum part on the docking station, which is also your dust bin where all of the dust is gonna go because it has that self-suction power. Honestly, this vacuum is a no-brainer, and the retail price for it is great too in comparison to vacuums that are very similar to it. So I love mine. I love that it was so easy to get going and set up. It charges itself. It lets you know that it's charging by having the little red flashing light, which is nice because you're not guessing like, okay, is it ready? Is it done? Can it be used yet? No, you've got it all laid out for you, and it is such a smooth operation. While we are waiting for this beauty to charge, because you gotta give it 3 to 4 hours, set your little timer, wait for it to be done charging, don't rush it. But this has different cleaning modes, which I love. There is, let me just read them to you. You have your auto cleaning mode, you have your program cleaning mode, you also have spot cleaning mode, edge cleaning mode, return to docking station button, there's a start, pause, wake up button, suction power control, and then of course the power off. But you can also set it to different times throughout the day. So if you want it on a schedule, you can do that as well. I am home a lot of the time, so I don't necessarily need it on a schedule. I just need it to help me so that I can get more stuff done around the house, which I'm super excited about. I'm excited to be able to get more stuff done around the house. I'm excited to be able to spend less time cleaning and more time doing stuff that I enjoy, like reading, hanging out with my husband, hanging out with my kids, being active, working out, you know, just everything but vacuuming the house 50 million times a day. So I'm super excited about this. I can't wait for it to be done charging so that I can show it to you guys. After you have given your light and easy A5 the time to charge and you are ready for use, it is so simple to operate. You just use the remote. As I explained earlier, there are different functions for the remote, which I love. It's not just a one-size-fits-all kind of robot vacuum, which is so great. And look at how cute it is. I mean, I love it. I think it is so cute and so sleek. It has no problem getting over rugs, does bump into walls, but that is to be expected. And it is so, so amazing. You have different suction power settings too, which I love. Like I said, it's not one size fits all. You can use it in different places of your home. Your furry friends might not like it too much, but you know, it makes your life easier, so they're just gonna have to deal with it. I absolutely love mine. As I said, it gives me more time to do things that I love, things that I need to get done, cuts my cleaning time down because I'm not having to vacuum a million times. But as you can see on the remote, there are multiple functions and it is an easy button to press to send it back home to its docking station too. It is also helping me clean under my couch, which I am all about because, you know, life with kids, life with animals, that needs to happen more than it actually does. But I am obsessed with this vacuum. It's not super loud either, which I am loving as well, is what I was just gonna say. It's not a super loud vacuum like your regular vacuum, which is great. It is pretty loud when it empties itself, but that is to be expected because it's suctioning all the dust and the dirt out of the machine itself. The self-emptying factor of it is huge for me. It is perfect for me because I don't want to have to empty it all of the time. The capacity of it is 0.95 liters and it holds around 30 days worth of dirt, which is huge. Rather than having your 1 hour worth of dirt in there, you only have to do it about every 30 days. It has a 3-stage cleaning system. It sweeps up stubborn dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. As I mentioned, it's self-emptying, depositing dirt from the dustbin into the docking station, and the vacuum can fit under or around your bed, sofa, and other furniture for thorough cleaning. The robot vacuum automatically returns to the docking station to recharge when it is low on power. It is operated easily via remote control, and it is perfect for people with pets and kids. As I mentioned earlier, I don't know how many times I've said that, but I love it so much. I can get my cleaning done and it cuts down on my cleaning time, which gives me more time to do the stuff that I enjoy, like a workout or reading a book, spending time with my family that I would unnecessarily be spending vacuuming instead. Okay, so I would rate this robot vacuum 5 stars because I've had them in the past. I love this one. I love that you have a remote control to operate it. I love that it's self-emptying, so you don't have to worry about emptying the dustpan a ton. It goes and does it for itself. It docks itself. It is amazing. I will have everything linked down below in my description box for you. This is a light and easy robot vacuum. It's the A5 model and I'm obsessed with it. I give it a 5 for its sleek color and design. I give it a 5 for how it operates. Like I said, I love that it has a remote and it's not just controlled by your phone, because if you're the only one that has the app on your phone, you're the only one that can control it. Whereas this one, you have the remote and somebody else can turn it on too. Say I'm not here and my husband wants to run the vacuum. He can because he'll have the remote. I love it. I would highly recommend it. It works great. The suction power is great. I give that 4 out of 5. I love it. I love gray. I love that it's neutral. It's not some gaudy color. It's not black, so it stands out as much. The key factor for me is the remote, self-docking, self-emptying. You only have to empty the canister a few times rather than emptying the vacuum multiple times throughout its cycle of cleaning up. And it also works really great on the rugs. It works great on the hard floors. I am loving it. I highly recommend it. You guys should snag one for yourself. That link will be down below in the description box, but let me know. Are you gonna get one for yourself? And I just want to say thank you so much for spending time watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed this review. And if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments for me and I will try to answer those for you guys. I would highly recommend this light and easy robot vacuum in the A5 model. You guys should snag one. Thank you again. Have a truly wonderful day. I hope you guys are doing well and I will catch you in the next adventure of cleaning here on my channel.